Well, you may have seen these coming up on social media, this style of design. Now, originally, I saw loads and loads of posts of people creating them in ChatGPT, and it got me thinking, can this be done in Dream Lab? So I had a bit of a play. I had a go, and I actually was able to create these in Dream Labs in Canva, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it so you can create your own funky little pop character. So let's head over and I'm going to show you exactly what I did for you to be able to create your own. Right, so the very first thing we need to do is you actually need to have a picture of one of these characters. Now, my youngest is obsessed with them, so we have lots of these pop figures around our house. I'm going to type in the name and you get lots of different things for sale. There's lots of information on them. Head over to images on Google and you get all these different images of them. The best thing with using Dreamlabs in Canva is to find one that has a similar look to you or how you want the character to come out. Now, I searched for Funko Pop blonde, a blonde Funko Pop, because I have blonde, dark blonde hair, to try and find a figure that I loved that looked a little bit like me. So that's what you need to do. So if I say Funko Pop blonde and glasses, it then brings up these Funko Pops that are blonde and have glasses. I wanted to find one that was in the box because I wanted the character to be in the box. So this one here, for example, there's no glasses on this one, but I'm going to use this to show you. So I'm just going to save the image to my desktop. Now we're not really using this image as such. It's just as a style reference. I'm not selling it. I'm not sharing it really anywhere. I'm using it as a reference only. So we are allowed to do this. Next, we need to head over to Canva. Right, so once we're in Canva, we want to head over to Dreamlabs on the left-hand side. And we have this space here for us to write our description in. As you can see, I've been having some fun playing with these. What we need to do first before we add this description in is we need to upload our image. Now there's an option here called Add Image. Now you can match and style, which is exactly what we're going to do, but we also have other features coming soon. So click on the Match and Style feature. And then we need to choose our file that we added to our desktop. Now let me find that. Now I've opened it up and it is now uploading that image. If I click use image, it has added it into my description. Now in here, this is now where I want to type my prompt to get Dreamlabs to create an image that has my name or my business name, or you could use your child's name, whatever you want in this image. Now I found, please turn me into a Funko Pop character exactly like the reference. So we're saying exactly like this image. I should be in the box. So we want the character to be in the box. My name is Laura and I'm wearing a shirt for my company, Create on Canva. Now I've discovered that it doesn't actually write it on the shirt, but it writes it on the box. So I'm going to change this bit slightly. My company name, I've put in Create on Canva, which isn't actually my company name. It is Business Design Academy, but we've gone for Create on Canva as that's my social media handle. So please turn me into a Funko Pop character exactly like the reference. I should be in the box. My name is Laura. We want Laura on it. And please write on the box my company name, Create on Canva. I've tried adding in, please use certain colors, but that hasn't actually worked. I'm going to try it and let's see if it works. Please use the color. Let's go for teal and let's see if it adds teal into the design. Lastly, so we've got our image, we've got our prompt. I'm going to change the sizing because it automatically comes out as this size. I want this to be square, so I want it a 1-to-1 ratio. And then we click on create. And Canva will now create me 4 versions of my Funko Pop, hopefully with my name, company name, a social media handle, whatever it is you've added into it. And we have got a pop of teal in these as well. That's pretty awesome. So this one has added teal as a hat. This one we've got teal around the box, the background in the box there, and then we've got some teal on the box on this one as well. So it has actually added that color in. It's added my name, so it's named the Funko Pop as me. And if you can see at the top, it says create on Canva on all of them. So I love these. I think these are brilliant. You can see the original image there. So it is very similar to the original image. This is why you need to find a Funko Pop that looks similar to you or something funky. So say a superhero, for example, if you want to be a superhero in your Funko Pop, use that as your reference. That is the main thing to do. Then add in this. I'll pop it in the comments in this prompt so that you can just copy and paste it if you want to try this. Change your ratio to 1:1 and then hit create and see what awesome designs you can get and what amazing Funko Pops you can create.